How to check and replace the heating element. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Turn the dryer around or go behind the dryer. Remove the terminal block cover plate and the back panel. Now you have access to the heating element. Remove this red wire from the heating element. Set your multimeter on the lowest scale to read ohms. Take a reading between the two terminals on the heating element. The reading should be between 8 and 50 ohms. If the reading is infinity, the heating element is bad, and it must be replaced. How to check for a grounded heating element. Grounded means that the heating coil is touching the metal housing, creating some kind of a short circuit. Set your multimeter to read about 200,000 ohms. Take a reading between one of the heating element terminals and the metal housing. Take another reading between the other heating element terminal and the metal housing. Both readings should be infinity. If any of the two readings is 0 ohms, the heating element is grounded and it must be replaced. How to replace the heating element. Remove the wires from the heating element. Remove the two holding screws. And remove the bad heating element. Remove this high limit thermostat from the bad heating element. And install it on the new heating element. Remove this high limit thermostat from the bad heating element. And install it on the new heating element. Set the new heating element in place. And secure it with the two holding screws. Connect the wires to the heating element and the high limit thermostat. Install the back panel and the terminal block cover plate. That was the way to check and replace the heating element.